Morning.
You alright?
Yeah.
Did you realise that I left my phone in your car?
No, I texted you this morning.
Yeah. Pretty sure I left it in your door.
You what?
Pretty sure I left it at my door.
Oh, so. Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
I texted you this morning. You didn't reply.
Oh, what did you say? So yeah, sorry. I tried running after you, but clearly you don't look from left to right.
You tried on and off.
What?
What?
I tried running after you. Like, I tried to cut there.
I seen you out there, but you went backwards, and I thought I didn't.
No, because I thought you were knocking on the window, but you were doing the.
Phone.
Huh? Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. What did you say? Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Right over and get give us a driver's license, yeah?
Sorry.
Driver's license.
Oh yes. Okay.
I want a lovely smooth drive this morning.
Yes, boss. I forgot how. If I put on the wipers, is that gonna do for the back one as well? I can't remember.
That's stuck on the right hand side.
Huh?
Just push it up one click. That's the front one.
Yeah.
The back one, turn it to the on position.
Oh, right.
Yeah?
Bro. Yeah.
When you're ready. Would you put your lights on this morning? Don't put your side lights on, go on.
Yeah. It's just 2 clicks.
Just one. Dip headlights is 2, side lights is 1.
Okay, fair.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah, you know what? Surprisingly. Oh God.
Put your clutch down nice and early first when you're moving slowly. Don't want to adjust your seat when you're sitting at the junction.
Huh?
That's a bit dodgy, isn't it? Adjusting your seat.
Yeah, well, I realised that I put myself a bit too forward.
No, don't do it when you drive.
Yeah, I know. No, it's fine.
No, you're getting a bit foggy in your side. Right, I forgot to mention, this is Olivia driving test, first attempt this morning with me. You did have a test how many years ago?
2.
2 years ago. Hopefully get a first time pass. Tell him your full name.
Oh, no. No.
It's too long. Go on, drive on when you're ready.
Privacy reasons.
He's also known as the Russian spy, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it Putin, you call him?
Yeah,
You know him well, don't you?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
The clutch all the way up when you change the gear and then go on the gas.
Yes.
And you didn't straighten up, didn't you?
No, I did not.
But you record well, hopefully. That was very good, well done.
Thank you.
The feed the worst when you didn't straighten up. But you went over and done it, well done. Good stuff.
Cheers.
Right, can you drive to do one on the right hand side? Right, the life out of me now, isn't it?
Apologies.
Right. Concentrate. Stop. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Drive on when you're ready.
Okay.
That was better, wasn't it? What did you do different there?
Actually kept pressing. Like,
right. Go on, tell me.
Didn't let go of this. Like, kept pressing the brake and then I did the clutch quicker.
And later.
Yes.
So you've actually done something what I've asked you to do for once, yeah?
Right.
Into the road, turn left. But
once.
That was really good technique, yeah? Really good. That's how the examiners would do it.
Thanks, Ken.
No, I'm not giving you any more praise. Can't believe you didn't put that into first gear.
Yeah.
That's a worry, that's twice that's happened.
Can't have your
you've got to be doing the road at first, haven't you?
Yes.
Don't forget that the day when you're stopping at junctions and roundabouts. That's it. Look now round over your left shoulder, right down with a lovely speed. Excellent. That's lovely, that. Stop. As soon as you swing them, just stop. Inch perfect. Well done.
Thank you.
Drive on when you're ready. I don't know what goes through your brain at times. I don't know what works. Drive on.
I don't know. Don't know.
It needs to be working this morning, yeah?
Yes, it will. It will.
Flashing people there.
What?
Put the main beam on. The signal goes up and not in. Slow. A little bit quick, wasn't it? It's good for me, well done.
It was controlled.
Nearly on that curb. Right, back now to the left. Well done.
Cheers. Okay.
Now remember, if you mess it up, you just go forward, don't you? Yeah?
Well, if I mess up now, I'm going backwards and I'll fix it.
Backwards and forwards, sorry.
Yeah.
Well, there's Malcolm, is it? Yeah. Turn left. He's next to him, so don't hit his car. And left.
God, don't say that.
No, the man hit his car before you go in.
Right. This is not time for jokes, Ken. I'm stressed.
No, at the end of the road we're turning right.
Okay.
So you left your phone in the car?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's because you basically told me to get out of your car as soon as we
no.
parked up. So I was like, oh my god, yeah, I need to go. And then I forgot my
but you get
phone.
all your stuff. I was in a hurry.
Yeah, I know you were in a hurry. Trust me, I know you were in a hurry. But yeah, and I ended up forgetting my phone. And then I tried chasing you down the street.
Did you?
I did, but I didn't go, like, I didn't follow you. I went, I tried cutting, like, you know how you go take the U. I tried basically cutting it. And then I saw you, and then I started waving my arms. Left? Left?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I started waving my arms, and you didn't see me, so clearly you're not looking.
I would have said, who's that? Not if I'd seen you.
Yeah. Yeah, it was very embarrassing. It was very, very. Are we going back or?
No, keep going.
Yeah, it was very, very embarrassing, and people were looking at me. And then I was just like, this man just stole my phone. What the fuck am I gonna do now? And then I had to go, and I was like, I can't even contact this man.
Yeah.
I already have his phone number. So then, do you check your personal emails? Because I did some.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.
See, so I did some spy stuff.
Straighten up. I'll have to go forward again. Stop there. Stop. It's really close, isn't it? Stay to the right. Get it straight. Straight up. That's it. And then just back it in. Get a bit close to this yellow line so you can get out your door, all right?
Closer.
Get a bit closer. Just so you can get out.
Cool.
That's it.
Cool.
Yep, that'll do for me. Well, it's time to wish Olivia the very best of luck. You got to make a prediction. Are you going to pass or fail?
No, I'm gonna pass.
How many falls?
0 serious, maybe 5 minus.
5 minus.
That'd be nice.
She had a couple of serious falls today. What were they?
Oh my god, that's what I don't remember.
You were turning right and the hatch markings you didn't position properly.
Yeah, that.
Get in the hatch markings and we held the cars up behind, and we're in the car park pulling off on a steep hill.
Oh yeah, I let it roll back a bit too much, so I didn't stop it straight away.
She has a good style when the brain's working, but when the brain's not working,
it's bad style.
It's dodgy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very dodgy.
We'll go for 3 minors and get work. Drive lovely and smooth, yeah?
Yes.
Right, go and open that bonnet for us.
I'm well chuffed.
You should be.
Ah.
Well done.
Thank you very much, Ken.
Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
I passed.
How many faults?
1 minor.
And what did the examiner say about your driving?
Nice.
Said it was a lovely drive, yeah?
It was nice.
She had 1 fault. What was it for?
For the positioning on the hospital roundabout.
What did you do?
I set off nicely, but then I kind of went slightly in the middle, like in
yeah,
between.
she drifted into lanes a little bit. What was the exam like? Tell them what the exam was like.
To be fair, the examiner that I had was very, very talkative in a good way. So it was a lot more relaxing having that nice chat compared to just
silence.
Just silence. And I was again insulted like I always do by Ken, so that was lovely.
That's cheeky.
I have to get it in. I spent weeks getting insulted. So I have to get it in now.
Yeah, well done, well done.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a good feeling, isn't it?
It is, it really is.
1 minor.
1 minor.
Wow.
I'm so chuffed with myself.
You should be.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gassed.
Did you do the emergency stop?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well
it was
done.
calm. Yeah,
It's
he
really
is,
good,
yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah. No, he is lovely. He is very, very nice.
What a lovely bunch.
Yeah. And I was, because he told, basically I didn't realise how quick the time has gone by.
Yeah.
So when he started directing me back to the test centre, I was like, oh, how come are we back so early? And then I was pulling, I was like, be with me straight. I was like, did I fail? Did I fail? Is that why you're pulling me in early? Because you're like, so we're not early. And I looked at the time and I was like, oh yeah.
You must have been concentrating like a lunatic, were you?
Yeah, I was, to be fair.
Yeah.
I was concentrating, but it was like, it was a relaxed concentration, which I don't think I've ever had, if I'm being honest. So I'll take it. I'll take the win.
You've got it. 1 minor. He's very impressed.
Thank you. Thank
The
you.
examiner didn't. Last exam you had didn't say that, did he?
Yeah, no. My first exam was shambolic. Ken. The way, that man, I still remember. But the man was overreactive. I'm not gonna lie to you. The man in Nottingham was overreactive.
Was he?
Yes, and if he ever sees this video, I hope that he knows that he's a dramatic drama queen. Because I was going over speed bumps and this man held on to this, and I was like, come on, man, I'm going 5 miles an hour. Come on. Yeah, so he was a drama queen, and this one was very nice. So.
Yeah.